Okay, so to begin our crocodile stitch, we are going to chain in multiples of 6. For this example, I'm going to do a small swatch. I'm going to go ahead and chain 18. You can chain as many as you want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, as long as it's in multiples of 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Let me just double check. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, good. So I have 18 here. Once you get to the end, we're going to go ahead and we're going to chain another 3. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to double crochet into the 3rd stitch from the hook. We're going to go ahead and continue this pattern until we reach the end. So we're going to skip 2 and we're going to do 2 double crochets into that 3rd stitch into the same stitch. Okay, we're going to continue that throughout until we reach the end. Okay, and then again skip 2 and 2 double crochets into the 3rd stitch. Just like that. We're going to continue, skip 2, and then again. Okay, skip 2, 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, all right, we're at the very end and we have 3 chains left. So yes, we're going to finish off the end with 2 double crochets in that last stitch. Okay, so that's what our first row is going to look like. Now we're going to chain 1 and turn our work around. And what we're going to do is, you see the V's? We are going to be crocheting 5 double crochets into that V right here. We're going to chain 1 and then we're going to do 5 more double crochets up the other side. We're going to continue that all the way through. So this is our first V, the one on the end. We're going to start with this one. So make sure you chain 1 and then we're going to double crochet, and it helps if you turn your work around like this. So I'm just going to see 5. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So what we're going to do is we're going to chain 1 and flip it over. That's what that one side looks like. We're going to do 5 double crochets up the other side of the V. So again, just turn your work. I'm going to turn it this way. And I'm going to do 5 into this side. 1, 2, oops, 3, okay, so once you're done with your 5 crochets up that side, that's what it's looking like. Now we're going to slip stitch into the V next to your crocodile stitch. You want to make sure you get inside the V. So just right inside that V, we're going to put our hook through and just do a little slip stitch. And that's going to hold it down. And then you're going to crocodile stitch into the next V. So we're going to, again, that's the next V. I'm going to just turn it this way because it's easier to work into. I'm going to do 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain it and turn it, and then do 5 more up that side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then slip stitch into the V next to it. Just like that, and look how cute. We're going to do our last crocodile stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1, and then we're going to chain into this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what it should look like. Okay, we're going to turn our work around, and I'm tangled. There we go. Okay, so we're going to V-stitch into the existing V-stitches that we did before. For the end ones, I'm going to start off with chaining 3, and then I'm going to double crochet into this V, and that's going to count as our first V. Then we're going to come on over to this one, and we're going to just double crochet right there in the middle. And we'll do one more. And then again, V-stitch into this guy. We'll V-stitch into this guy right here. And V-stitch into this one. And then into the last one. Okay. Once you're done, that's what it's going to look like. We're going to chain one and then repeat what we did with these crocodile stitches. So I'm going to crocodile stitch into this V. I'm just going to grab it and put it towards me and do 5 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 1 and then turn it around, and I'm going to do 5 more up that side. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to slip stitch it into the next V. That's what that's going to look like. And we're just going to continue that to the end. And then the one last crocodile stitch for the row. And then you're going to double crochet up that side. That's going to count as your last V. And that's it. That's what your crocodile stitches will start looking like. And you can do as many rows, or make it as long as you need it or want it.